course, after you finish a paint project around your home, cleaning brushes is not the most favorite thing for anyone, but it's fairly easy and very important. If you're using an oil-based paint, of course, you'll use mineral spirits to clean it, but most people use latex, and soap and water like I have here is just perfect. It's best just to put it in a bucket like this, work out as much of that paint as you can, and then blasting away a little bit more of it with a hose will get a lot of the particles out of it. But to finish up the cleaning project, whether it's oil or latex, use that wire brush to really work out all of the little particles and to kind of comb out all of the hairs on your brush, and then let it dry just a little bit, and then use your original sheath to put it back in place so that it'll keep the bristles nice and straight. And if you don't have this, you can use newspaper, fold it around it neatly, put a piece of masking tape on it, and it'll work great.